I recently made a video on how to insert subtotal to your dataset table like this. Links to the video is in the description. Nonetheless, an individual has suggested an alternate method of computing the subtotal. Here's a step-by-step guide for that approach. First, you're going to select all the branch and location from A2 all the way down to A27 and press Ctrl G, and this is going to open a go to pop-up window here. In this go to pop-up window, you're going to select special. And on this go to special, you're going to select blanks like this and click OK. What this does is only selects all the blanks on that particular selection that you just made. Next, you're going to populate all these blanks with the adjacent value. You're going to say equal A2 like this. And then you're going to press Ctrl Enter so that the formula applies to all the blanks like this. With that being said, you can see there's sections being formed, and that's what you need to use the subtotal icon on the ribbon. So next thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna select A1 all the way down to C27 or your whole data set table like that. Then after that, you're gonna go to data on this pull down menu here, and on the ribbon you're gonna go to outline, and that's this icon called subtotal. When you click on it, this pop-up will come up here. In this pop-up, you're gonna select add each change in to the column called branch and location, which is the first column itself, and then use function. There are several functions you can use. The one that we're interested in is sum, because we're going to use to find the subtotal. And then for the subtotal here, add subtotal, we're going to apply the subtotal calculation to column C, which is your sales. We're going to leave the remaining of the checkbox as they are, and then you click OK. Once you do that, you can see that the subtotal for each section, like this one here in New York, is actually calculated here, and the rest of the subtotal for each of the individual section here. And also, this function allows you to calculate the grand total right at the bottom here.